Johnny. I just called her Avian. I don't get no status. I'm a place of privates. Working soon in privates. He don't fuck with money. We had it lay back on them pills. I just fucked the pain. Finna settle in your field. Yeah, slime little bitch, I know you not real. I'ma spend my money on guns and pills. In Atlanta with a bitch, and the bitch on me. I'm on that lean little bitch. Keep the bitch out of the knee. Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Okay, guys, so I have my wig cap on that's closest to my scalp color. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of my Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator palette and concealer palette in level 9. Okay, so now that my cap matches, I'm going to just go in with some inside the hairspray and kind of like tack this down so the cap doesn't move under my wig. This is the wig I'm going to be working with today. This is Alipearl's 5x5 closure wig. This is transparent lace. This is their body wave texture, and I just curled it and put some pin curls in there. It has combs and it has a comb in the back, and I believe 2 combs on the side, if you guys can see, and then adjustable straps in the back. So to tint my lace, I'm going to be using the Even Tint Spray in the shade Light Warm Brown. Yes, Light Warm Brown. And I'm going to just spray it lightly into the lace. So make sure you adjust your straps before you put it on, and just make sure everything fits like snug, because once you glue this wig on, it's so hard to adjust your straps. Just make sure you do it before you tack your wig down. I'm actually gonna take my combs out because I don't really need them. I'm gonna be gluing the wig down. Okay, so I took my combs out and adjusted my straps at the bottom, and I'm just gonna see how everything is fitting. Yes, see, everything's fitting snug. I don't feel like it's going nowhere. Like, even if I wanted to wear this wig glueless, I could. But if you were to wear it glueless, just make sure you keep your combs in. Yeah, I'm looking crazy right now, but I'm about to take these pin curls out. So I think I'm gonna glue my wig down before I take my pin curls out. Yeah, so this is just how the lace is looking. I did go in and pluck some more and bleach the knots. If you don't know how to pluck, that's fine, because the wig comes already plucked for you. However, I just like a more plucked look, like when I take down my baby hairs. Yeah, so I just went in and plucked a little bit more. Can't really tell what I plucked though. I don't plucked a whole lot, but so the glue I'm going to be using today is the Dolled by Key Lay My Lace waterproof lace glue. You guys can see, this is just how the bottle looks. This is a set. It does come with the Lay My Lace skin protectant, and this is the remover, Lay My Lace remover. So it does come in a set. She is a young Black entrepreneur, so if you are interested in supporting Black businesses, make sure you check out her products. I will leave all her links down below. So the lace is matching really well after I sprayed the lace tint on it. It matches really good. So I'm just going to use maybe 1 layer of this glue, because I don't really plan on keeping this wig on for a very long time. while that's drying clear, this is her business card. If you guys want to screenshot that and check out her Instagram. Yeah, so support our Black young entrepreneurs, guys. This is a very pivotal time. Just support Black businesses, period. Stop supporting businesses that don't deserve your coin. Okay, so it's dry, and we're just gonna lay that down into the lace glue. It's been such a depressing week or two with everything going on with the Black community. I wanted to make a chit chat, get ready with me, and talk to you guys about everything that's going on in the world, as you guys know, but with my perspective. If I do decide to do a chit chat, get ready with me, that will be up one day this week. But it's just been so overwhelming. It's just been such a I don't know if you guys can see, but my energy is kind of lower. It's just so unfortunate that it's 2020 and Black people are still going through the same things. It's so overwhelming. So it's kind of hard to cut my lace off, and I need to be in this mirror, so if I'm out of frame, I'm sorry. If you guys want to see a dedicated video of cutting your lace, plucking and all that, just like this video, and I will get that up soon for you guys. So I'm taking these scissors and I'm gonna cut in a zigzag motion. And just tack down anything that came up, any of the lace, just tack it right back down. Yeah, this looks really good. I do like this lace glue, and I like this lace on the wig too. The lace on the wig was super thin, super transparent. My forehead looks kind of big. I kind of should have put my wig down a little bit, but whatever. I'm just gonna do some really light baby hairs, on the two sides of my middle part. Just gonna take out a couple of hairs, kind of push them down just to see if they're symmetrical. Yeah, not really symmetrical, but I'm starting to cut my baby hair a little bit shorter than usual. Just because it makes it look more natural. Look at that, that's so cute. As soon as I swoop that, so cute. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the install. gorgeous. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I did go in and cut about maybe 2 inches off, and it's still kind of uneven, so I'm just gonna trim this here. Okay, so yeah, I did cut about maybe 2 or 3 inches off just for a more natural look. Came out absolutely gorgeous. This is just how the lace is looking. Everything looks really good. I did go in and bleach the knots, pluck it a little bit, and dye the hair jet black. So this wig is 250 density, but yeah, do y'all see this body, honey? Gorgeous. So if you do like thicker hair, I would suggest going with the 250% density rather than the 180. This is the box the wig came in, and inside your box, this is like a lace scarf, or you know when you this is to tie your lace and your baby hair down for when you're installing. They also gave me this yellow hair toothbrush that I used in the video, and also their silk bag. I love these silk bags. Like, it's so convenient when you need to travel, or just when you want to store your wig in a safe place. But yeah, this is the final look. If you are going to order this wig, make sure you look down below and get that coupon code so you can get your coins off. But again, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this look. If you're going to order it, if you do order it, come back to this video, let me know how your experience was. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.